All right, welcome to the final boss. Paper 3, Geographical Exploration. So I got an AI to cross-examine the OCR B specification, past paper trends, and examiner reports just to hack the 2026 decision-making exercise. And listen, because 2026 is the final year of this old spec, the AI is predicting a seriously synoptic theme that brutally mixes both physical and human geography.
But hey, before we get into it, a quick disclaimer. These predictions are a data-driven guide. They are not a crystal ball. You absolutely still need to revise the whole syllabus. Don't skip that part.
Okay, let's dive right in. Here are the AI's top predicted themes for your paper.
So the AI's top predictions are either a river catchment management issue, balancing flood protection with ecosystems, or a major development project in an LIC, like forcing you to choose between a megadam and solar grids. Now, why these two? Well, it's because they haven't shown up in a while, and they force you to make those big synoptic links between physical and human geography, which is exactly what the examiners are looking for.
And because you're going to be evaluating unseen options, your 12-mark question will look exactly like one of these. Evaluate the proposed strategies for managing the river catchment area. Recommend one strategy. Or, which development project should the government prioritize?
But honestly, it doesn't matter what the topic is. Paper 3 is all about that unseen resource booklet and, you guessed it, surviving the brutal 12-mark decision-making exercise.
And for a whole 12 marks, you absolutely need a foolproof plan. So here it is, your absolute grade 9 cheat sheet. To score a full 12 out of 12 on this extended response, you must use this exact 5-paragraph hack. All right, let's break down exactly how you're going to write this thing. Be decisive. You need to state your final recommendation in the very first sentence. Do not write a weak, sitting-on-the-fence introduction.
You are going to use this exact phrase. Seriously, write this down. My chosen strategy is option A because.
Avoid what I call source blindness. You have to explicitly quote figure numbers and specific data values straight from the booklet.
You need to write things like, as Figure 2 demonstrates, the cost of £400 million proves that. This shows the examiner you are actually using the evidence.
Okay, paragraph 3. Now listen up, because this is the biggest examiner trap. You must link the unseen booklet to a real, named case study from your syllabus.
For example, you could hit them with, this proposed flood defense is highly similar to the Thames Barrier, where paragraph 4 is where you show you're a top-level thinker. Show some extreme nuance. Acknowledge the strongest opposing option, but then deliver a killer judgment, explaining exactly why your choice still wins.
Steal this sentence. Although option B offers short-term economic gains, my choice is superior because…
And finally, paragraph 5, the rule of 3 conclusion. You're going to justify your final verdict by proving it perfectly balances economic, social, and environmental factors.
Just remember, your final judgment gains all its power by proving your choice is the most sustainable option across all 3 of these key pillars.
You're gonna seal the deal with this. Ultimately, option A wins because it stimulates local jobs, protects homes from flooding, and preserves biodiversity.
And there you have it, your ultimate data-backed playbook for absolutely dominating Paper 3.
Look, if this playbook is going to save your grade, do 3 things for me. Smash that like button so I know it helped, save this to your revision playlist so you don't lose it, and hit subscribe so you don't miss the next hack. By the way, the playbooks for papers 1 and 2 are already live. Go find them.
So, do you want the PDF cheat sheet for all this? The guide is completely finished and ready to go, but I'm only sharing it with the students who really want it for their revision. So comment the exact words 2026 predictions down below, and make sure you're subscribed so YouTube actually notifies you when I reply with the link.
Good luck with your revision. Now go get that grade 9.